Dear student, welcome to our online school. I am from Sonapur High School, and now I try to make you understand about narration, changing narration from direct to indirect. So first I introduce myself and the name of the school. The name of the school is Sonapur. Sonapur High School. Mansbidi, Jaipurhat. Okay, now I want to understand you about the change form of narration. So you know that narration is two kinds. One is direct and another is indirect. And now first time we have to know about what is direct form of narration. This style is for direct narration. Suppose he said to me, I go to school. This is direct narration. How can you know that it is direct narration? First time you look a inverted comma. If there is a inverted comma in a sentence, then you will know it about direct speech. And when you understand that it is direct speech, you have to change it into indirect speech. And how can you change it in indirect speech? First time you have to know about 3 rules. If you know 3 rules, then you can change the direct into indirect. First time you have to look about the indirect piece, the inverted comma. What is the sentence in the inverted comma? What is the sentence? So look at, I go to school. This is assertive sentence. If you are sure that it is assertive sentence, then you have to change direct piece easily, because assertive sentence you have no need to change from the inverted comma. So you can keep this same. He said to me. Then when you make it indirect, must avoid the comma. So inverted comma will be vanished and it is replaced at that. Okay. Now you have to look, who is I? Me or he? Look, I go to school. Must say this person, he. Then I replace into the subject he. And now you have, I advised you to remind 2 rules. That rules is, when you see here the tense said. Said means past tense. When you look, there is past tense and there is present tense, and that will be changed into past tense. So look at said, past form. Go, present form. Then it will change into past form. Go means went. And there is no sense to a school. And look, if there is present tense, the tense will same. Look, if I write it says, he says to me, I go to school, or he will says to me, I will go. If there is present or future tense, the tense will not change. Tense will keep same position. And now I must write it, go, present form. Goes, because he is third person. Here is no sense also. Says to me that he goes to school. It's clear? And remind again, if there is past and there is past, look, said past, and here and past. To past. If there is to past, then it will be past participle or past perfect tense. He had done. Clear? Then I also again you just remind, if there is past tense and in the inverted comma there is past tense, past means past perfect, and if there is present or future there will no change of tense, and if there is past and there is present, the tense will change into only past form. So now that's all for assertive sentence. If you know about assertive sentence well, you can change another sentence easily. Okay.